Hi everyone, I'm here walking in the forest with my dog Valo. She's a Great Pyrenees and she's now 1 year and 6 months old. We are here filming a new video of her, but before we get to that I wanted to talk to you guys about something because there will be changes in this channel. When I first started this YouTube channel, I made mostly videos of dogs, of her, and since then my channel has shifted more to like lifestyle content and bullet journaling. And I know that some of you guys have been asking like where she is and why don't I post more videos of her anymore. And yeah, she's still here and she's really happy, and the thing is that I really want to start posting more dog content, especially because we are getting another dog in a week. So excited about that, but I understand that many of you guys may not be interested in that kind of content, and I've been struggling with this channel because I feel like I have so many things that I'm interested in. I've been struggling like which topic I want to focus on, and what I have decided, I decided that I will make a new YouTube channel which will be focusing solely on dogs. That channel will be up by the time I upload this video, so I will leave a link in the description box, and if you are interested in dogs or if you want to see cute dog videos, feel free to check it out and go follow that channel. And this channel will continue being like more like lifestyle channel, living in the countryside, journaling, bullet journal videos, organizing, decorating, cleaning. I really want to do more cleaning videos in the future, and at least in my brain, those kind of topics go really well hand in hand. So this will be the plan for this channel, and of course dogs are a huge part of my life, and I'm sure that they will be featured in this channel also, but this will be the last like an update video of our Great Pyrenees. I hope that makes sense, and thank you for watching. And I just wanted to tell you guys the news, the changes, and now let's get to the star of this video, shall we? Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! She doesn't understand what is happening.